Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Maybe fine. I am also fine by the grace of Allah. Do you know the first month of Bangla year? Yes, Baishakh. What is called the first day of Bangla year? Poila Baishakh. Okay. Now we are going to learn Poila Baishakh. Dear students, please open your book, page number 38, Unit 3, Lesson 6, Section A. Look at the picture, then ask and answer the question about it. Question number 1. What is the picture about? In the picture, Bangla New Year, a cultural program. What do you think the picture was taken? It was taken at the Ramna Bottomul in Dhaka. What are the people doing? They are singing traditional Bangla songs and recite poems. Section B, read the text. Now we are new vocabulary. Now we are learn new vocabulary. At first, carnival. Public celebration, next new word, contemporary, at same time সমসাময়িক যেটা, fascinating, English meaning extremely interesting, next word, renowned, famous and respected, rhythm, next word, pattern of beats in music, pattern of beats in music, chondo, that means chondo, tradition, belief, that means ঐতিহ্য. Next section B, at first I read it, you follow me. Poila Boishakh is the first day of Bangla New Year. The day is a public holiday. This day was a special significance for us as it is a part of Bengali culture and tradition. People from all walks of life, irrespective of their ethnic identity or religious beliefs, celebrate the day with traditional festivities. On this day, the whole of Bangladesh is in a festive mood. The day inspires people to start life with renewed hopes and inspiration. Every year, the day is celebrated traditionally. People wake up early in the morning, have a bath and wear traditional clothes. Women wear white saris with red borders and adorn themselves with colorful saris and flowers, while men dress themselves in pajamas and Punjabis. It is a day when people love eating traditional food. One of the most colorful events of the day is held in Dhaka. Early in the morning, people in the hundreds of thousands pour in from all directions to attend the cultural function at Ramna Botomur organized by Sayanot. The cultural program begins just at sunrise and renowned artists of the country take part in the program that starts with the famous Tagore song Esho He Boishak Esho He. Artists also sing traditional folk songs and perform classical dance to the rhythm of musical instruments. Dear students, section C. Ask the answer this question in pairs. First question, do you go out in the morning of Poila Boishak? If you do, where do you go? If not, what do you do? Yes, I go to Dhaka University area in that morning, enjoy the cultural programs. What kind of foods do you eat in the morning of Poila Boishak? I eat hilsha and panta. It is our traditional Bengali food. Do you wear any special clothes on this occasion? Yes, I wear pajama and Punjabis, and women wear white saris with red border. Section D. Complete the passage with suitable words. Fill in the gaps. That means fill in the gaps. The word Poila means the first and Boishak is the dashed month. Answer, first month of Bangla calendar. The day is observed not dash in Bangladesh, only in Bangladesh, but also in some other parts of the world. It is celebrated in West Bengal, Assam and Tripura. It is also celebrated in Australia and the UK. In Australia, the largest festival for Bangla New Year is the Sunday Boishak Mela held near Sydney Olympic Park in England. The Bengalis generally celebrate the day with a street show in London. It is the largest Asian festival in Europe, Australia, Bangladesh and West Bengal. Dear students, section E, describe your own cultural and religious festival that you celebrate. Your homework is write down it. Describe your own cultural cultural or religious. Religious festival that is celebrated. Dear students, thank you. See you again. Allah Hafiz. Assalam.